Good morning and welcome to my channel once again. I have found another interesting kit, Harry Potter. This is retired, as I did find it on eBay, and we are going to build this next. I'm waiting for my next subscription box. Hopefully it'll be inbound in the next couple of days, but in the meantime I found this. This is box or kit 75955. This is the Prisoner of Azkaban, because you've got the Dementor down there, and you've got Lupin, and you've also got the Wanted, if you can see that there, for Sirius Black, and Scabbers. There he is. So there's a few clues there just looking at the box. This is for the Prisoner of Azkaban, if you're a Harry Potter fan. If not, you don't know. This is actually retired, so you can't get this anymore. It does come with 5 figurines as well, if you might see them around there. You've got Hermione, you've got Ron, you've got Harry Potter, you've got Lupin, Dementor, and also the, oh, you can't actually see it. Well, you can see right down there at the bottom. Oh, there she is. The Trolley Witch, the one that brings around all the sweets on the trolley. There's a bit better image on top there, you can see. So yes, I got this online, eBay. I'm hoping all the pieces are there. I'm not too sure when I started bagging it up ready for me to build along. So you can see as I'm building, I put them in little bags, and I'm thinking I've got a few pieces missing. I also got this set as well. Again, it was second hand, and it's 76386. Now, that doesn't make sense to anybody. It might do to some people. This is the Polyjuice Potion mistake, where Hermione turns into a cat in the toilet. So it's for the big castle where you can put all the pieces together, the module. And I built it, and there are missing pieces, so we can't actually fully build this one. I was quite excited to see this as well, but it is what it is. Sometimes when you're buying second hand, you've got to be really careful, and some people do literally give you every single brick and the spares. Other people don't. So yeah, I'm using this as spares. It's always handy. I didn't pay a lot for it anyway. I think it was like £4, so I should have really thought maybe there, but like I say, it is what it is, and it's just good to have spare pieces as well. So I have got some things I can pinch from. I might have to pinch from. But yeah, this, the one that we're going to build, I'm hoping has got all the pieces, and if not, I'll have a few extra little pieces on the side, is 75955 Hogwarts Express. Now, I do have the collector's edition of the Hogwarts Express. It is amazing, but £300, it's quite expensive. I don't even know if it's discontinued now, actually. So it could be even more monies. So yeah, this is a little version. Like I said, this is an old version as well. This came out in 2018, the 1st of August it was released, and it has 801 pieces, 5 mini figures, as I said, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Harry Potter, Remus Lupin, the Trolley Witch, and plus the Dementor, and Scabbers. There he is. So if you're familiar, you'll know. If not, it's one way to learn. You do get a nice big manual. The only thing is, because of its age, you don't get the Brick Builder app. So if you do the Brick Builder app, you will have to go buy the manual. It's quite big. It's not sometimes they're like half the size of these. So it's good big pages, very clear instructions, as per usual with Lego. They are really good. So we're gonna build this, but I'm like in the back page. I think it was the one before the back page even. This is what I was saying about these kits. You can add bits onto them. So if you did the Polyjuice, you could add them to the castle. They're like a module, but like that. There's a Whomping Willow, and I kind of like the old kits. I do like them. There's some really good old pieces. And this is a Fantastic Beast. I thought it looked a bit different. Yeah, it's Fantastic Beast. It's cool. So it's giving you some ideas for further pieces. But yeah, I do actually have parts of the castle which I was going to put the Polyjuice Potion mistake on there, but obviously we can't. So I'm going to build this anyway, so you can follow along as usual. And if you do come across this is a really good find if you can get it at a good price. I can't actually remember how much I paid for it, unfortunately. Sorry. I know it wasn't a lot. It was less than £30. So it was a gamble. I was a bit like, will it be okay? I have a feeling it was about £20. So yeah, just be wary that I have tubs of my extra pieces from other things that I have, and this is going to be a good extra pieces. Sometimes you get every piece, sometimes you don't. I did notice that the trolley is actually missing, which is a bit gutting, even though it doesn't picture it there. In the manual it does, so that's definitely a missing piece. But I did get some extra pieces, which is some track, so I can put the train on the track. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna get building. We're gonna build. Okay, so follow along with me and see what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe, because I am going to keep going, and if anybody has any suggestions on what to look out for, what they'd like me to build, because Lego is so expensive, I can do it for you. If I can find it, I am more than happy to show you what it looks like and if it's even worth the money. My opinions, see what you think, see what it looks like to you, and you can make your judgment on that. So let's get started. Bye for now.